Guys, I have recently started investing in the US stock market while living right here in the UAE as an expat. And guess what? It's very easy. As you can see on the screen, I started with a small amount and I have already made a profit of $20. But that is not the point. These here are some of the stocks on my watch list, and I plan to keep buying every month with as little as $100. With this app, the Sarwa app, you too can start right now, and let me show you how you can open your account. I'm also going to show you how to fund your account, how to actually buy the stocks, and how to withdraw your profits when you are ready. So stick around. Even if you don't know anything about stocks, don't worry, this video is for you. Use the timestamps below to skip to any section that you like. After you have downloaded the Sarwa app from the Google or Play Store, go ahead and tap on the sign up button. You will also get a welcome bonus if you sign up using my referral link in the description. Simply enter your names, your email address, and your password, and then tap on the continue button. Now enter your mobile number, continue, and on this page you have to select the products you are interested in. Select trading stocks and ETFs, high yield savings account. It's true, Sarwa also offers crypto, but for personal reasons, I would stay away from that. Go ahead, follow the simple instructions on the screen. Verify your identity by taking a selfie and scanning your Emirates ID. And finally, to finish up your account opening process, if you're still with me, hit the subscribe button. Verify your email address using the link sent to your email, and you'll receive this message: account under process. Wait for a few minutes to 2 business days for your account to be approved. Well, mine is already approved, so let me show you how you can add funds into your account. Adding funds and starting trading in the Sarwa account is easier than you think, but here is one important thing you need to keep in mind. Sarwa offers 2 main services. One is known as the Sarwa Trade. Here you pick your favorite stocks like Tesla, Meta, or Apple, the ones that you expect to perform well. This is good for you guys who know something about the stock market. And then for the beginners, there is what we call Sarwa Invest. It's all automated. Just deposit money and let experts handle everything for a small fee. We are going to talk a little bit more about that in a minute, but let me first show you exactly how to add funds into your account. When you open your Sarwa app, at the bottom in the center, you can see the fund option. As you can see, you can transfer funds from your bank account or a debit card to your Sarwa account. You can also set up auto deposits. Okay? This is a very good feature for you guys who are serious about investing, making monthly deposits to grow your portfolio. Then you can also transfer money between your Sarwa accounts. And definitely you can also check your transaction history. So let's tap on the fund your account, which is the first option. Here, select which of your Sarwa accounts do you want to add money to. As you can see on the screen, we have 3 options. First being linking your UAE bank account, which is free. Second, using a debit card, which comes with a card fee. And the last one being a wire transfer, which is also free. So, depending on your personal situation, you can choose between these 3 methods. Which is best for you? I personally tried linking my UAE bank account, but I failed. I have also used the debit card option, and the fees are around 10 dirhams per transaction, which is quite high. And I have used the wire transfer option as well, sending money directly from my ADCB account. The transfer was free and money arrived into my Sarwa account within a few minutes. So if you want to use this method, simply tap on it, select the currency in which you want to deposit, enter the amount that you want to deposit, tap on continue button, and then you'll be provided with the wire transfer details. Before we move on to actually how to execute a trade, the most important thing here is remember to provide your reference code or the transaction remarks to your bank while you initiate the wire transfer. And lastly, once you have completed the transfer from your bank app, come back here into your Sarwa app and tap on the I have transferred button. Okay? to lock in your transfer. Now, to start investing your money, you can either use the Sarwa Invest, Sarwa Save, or even the Sarwa Trade. Sarwa Save and Sarwa Invest are straightforward. All you have to do is invest money and let the Sarwa professionals handle everything on your behalf. For this video, let us focus on Sarwa Trade. Tap on the trade button at the bottom of your Sarwa app. As you can see on the screen, you will see your account balance. You'll see your earnings, your returns, and your net deposits. If you have nothing invested yet, but already added funds into your account, down here, you can see the total cash that you have in your account, okay? So once you make research and you know exactly which stock you want to buy, come here in the search bar. For the sake of this video, let us use Tesla, okay? Type it there and then tap on it. Go ahead, tap on the trade button. Since we are buying, tap on the buy button. As you can see, you can buy in shares. You can buy in dollars. You can initiate an auto trade, limit buy order, or even a stop buy order. I will not go into more details since I want to keep this video short. Tap on buy in dollars. Enter the amount that you want to buy. That is, of course, in dollars. You'll see the total price of the stock you're buying, which is 287 here, 0.9. You will also see the estimated number of shares that you'll get, your buying power, and also the fee, which is always fixed at $1. Review your trade. Once you're satisfied, tap on place order. Okay, and then your order will be executed. Before I share with you the pros and cons of this app, it's important for you to understand that this is not financial advice, but rather me sharing my journey with you. So guys, this is how much I have invested, $256 with an 8% return, giving me an unrealized profit of $20. I'll keep updating you about my portfolio. I will be investing around $100 every month. If you want to keep up with this progress, hit the like button and remember to subscribe. So here is my key takeaway. Sarwa app is easy to use and beginner friendly. Low fees, you can fund your account for free and trades cost just $1. Compared to all other options currently in the UAE and the Gulf region, Sarwa feels like the better option for beginners. And most importantly, Sarwa is secure and regulated, licensed under the FSRA in the Abu Dhabi Global Markets Category 3 license, which makes it a better and a secure option. So if you're ready to start your journey, use my referral code in the description. You'll get a bonus when you sign up. And finally, few days later, by the time I was done with editing this video, my total profits had increased from $20 to $62. So share your thoughts about the Sarwa app. Subscribe and let's see if we can grow this portfolio to $10,000.